Hello everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel, and it's time for another unboxing. This is of a used instrument. Now, just for the record, when I start looking at more expensive ukuleles and I look at them online, I have my own price point that I think about. Just so you know, when you sell an ukulele, generally you can expect to get 60 to 70% of the original price of the instrument used, and even potentially less than that if there are problems with the instrument. But even a mint instrument used, unless it's especially collectible, like a old vintage Martin, for example, would be worth more than its original list price, right? Or right now, 100th anniversary kamakas are worth more than what people paid for them. But in general, ukuleles cost less used. And my own budget tends to be even a little bit lower than that. So I'll watch an ukulele if there's one that I'm interested in. And again, I have certain places I go to look at them. Facebook is an awful place right now to buy ukuleles. People ask way too much. Craigslist, for some reason, people ask way too much. You can actually buy a new ukulele often for the price that people are asking. So I understand that shipping for a consumer is very expensive. I get that. But anyway, my own price point is lower than that 60% threshold. And I will see something and I'll be interested in it, but I'll wait. And the other thing that I'll do is I will contact the seller and I will just say this, which is, I am interested in your instrument. I am willing to pay X amount of dollars. Don't get angry at that. Please try to sell it at the other rate. And if you don't, you know you have a guaranteed sale. And it's surprising how many times people just finally go, no, it's fine. And I try not to take advantage of people with that, but I know what my own comfort level is, and I know that when I sell it, I would expect the same thing. So it just kind of where it goes. So this is the new instrument. It is a soprano, but it is a long neck soprano, and it was a really good deal used. So I'll just open this guy up here and let you see what I've got. All right, close the knife for safety and open the box. In here is the instrument. There are no accessories as far as I know. Get out of the way. Here's the gig bag, and you can see that it's a KoAloha product. And I have a number of KoAloha instruments, all which I intentionally pay less than standard rate for. So, front pocket comes with the original KoAloha with a label. That's kind of nice. I don't often keep those. And here it is. This is a newer KoAloha Opio Soprano ukulele. It used to say Opio underneath the KoAloha logo, and consumers didn't like that. They didn't like advertising that they bought the cheaper instrument. Now, cheaper does not necessarily mean worse. In fact, what happened was KoAloha set up an entire factory in Thailand where these are made, and they went there and trained the people how to make it. And in fact, Pops, who invented the machine that cuts the frets, there's only two of those machines in the world. One's in Hawaii and one's in Thailand. So that company now actually makes the Rebel ukuleles, which are very well received as well. So this model was made in November of 2018. This is being filmed in August of 2020, so it's not quite 2 years old. And you can see what the Super Soprano looks like. You've got your traditional body with a long neck, and the previous owner added straps, which is fine with me because I love the straps. You get the standard KoAloha friction tuners, which are not cheap friction tuners. They work very well, although it's an easy upgrade if you ever want to move those to something like UPTs, which are geared friction tuners. They're not really friction tuners, but they're geared that look like friction tuners, and it's really nice. So let's tune it up and take a look at how it sounds. And with a friction tuner, just a slight adjustment can take you really far. All right, here we go. All right, let me just tune again through it, making sure that we're still in tune. All right. All right, there you have it. The KoAloha long neck Soprano Opio version of the instrument, made of solid acacia. Look at how pretty that is. Beautiful instrument. And what I'll do is eventually I'll compare this to the concert that I have, that it's actually larger body, same neck length. That'll be fun to review in the future. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day. And I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.